हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम अनुकुल सैनी, अ कॉन्फिडेंट इंट्रोवर्ट इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। पिछले 7 सालों से जॉब करते हुए मैंने ऑनलाइन फील्ड में काफ़ी कुछ सीखा, देखा और समझा। मेरी पहली वेबसाइट जो कि मैंने बनाई थी 2012 में, तब से लेके अब तक मुझे 12 साल से भी ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं इस फील्ड में। और मेरी सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट रही है अब तक की, मैंने एक वेबसाइट को ज़ीरो से स्टार्ट करके 10 लाख यूज़र्स अ मंथ तक ग्रो किया, वो भी बस 2 सालों में विद लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज। और साथ साथ आई वॉज डूइंग माई फुल टाइम जॉब। दिस प्रोजेक्ट वॉज माई साइड हसल। और पिछले कुछ सालों में आई हैव कम टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग एंड वाई एवरीवन शुड एक्टिवली वर्क टू बिल्ड देयर ओन personal brand. But first, let's understand what is personal branding. So, what is personal branding? Let's see what Wikipedia says about personal branding. Personal branding is conscious and intentional effort to create and influence public perception of an individual by positioning themselves as an authority in their industry, elevating their credibility and differentiating themselves from the competition to ultimately advance their career, widen their circle of influence and have a larger impact. तो ये तो डेफिनेशन थी विकिपीडिया पे, और इस डेफिनेशन से आई एम मोस्ट एग्री विद। तुम जितनी भी वेबसाइट्स पे देखोगे तुम्हें अलग अलग डेफिनेशन दिख जाएगी, बट दिस इज द डेफिनेशन आई एग्री द मोस्ट। ओके, अब मैं इसको एक सिंपलर एग्जांपल के साथ मैं आपको समझाता हूँ, ठीक है? ओके, लेट्स इमेजिन यू हैव अ मैजिक बैकपैक and you keep all things that makes you awesome, like your talent for drawing, singing and dancing, your kindness and your love for learning new things in that backpack. But no one can see what's inside the bag unless कोई उस backpack को open करके देखे, right? So personal branding is like decorating your backpack with some cool stickers that represent what's inside the bag and who you are as a person. So when you meet new people, they can see your special stickers on the backpack and quickly understand how awesome and unique you are. So in simpler terms, a personal brand is what public sees in you or know you for. Hope this gives you a simple overview about personal branding. Now let's talk about why personal branding is important and why you should care about it. Personal branding is crucial in today's competitive landscape. As you can understand, the job market is down. लोगों को जॉब मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, फ्रीलांसर्स को क्लाइंट्स मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, and businesses are struggling to generating leads as well. And here are some more reasons why personal branding is going to be very important this year. Firstly, it allows you to differentiate yourself from others in your field, showcasing your unique skills, experience and values. एक strong personal brand can help you stand out to employers अगर आप जॉब ढूंढ रहे हैं तो, to clients अगर आप लीड्स जनरेट करना चाहते हैं तो, and also can help you get more opportunities. Secondly, a well-crafted personal brand can build trust and credibility when people have a clear understanding कि आप कौन हैं, क्या represent करते हैं, क्या आपकी expertise है, क्या skills हैं, so they can more likely to engage with you and see you as an reliable and authentic individual in your field. In this digital age where information is easily accessible, having control over your online narrative is very essential. एक thoughtfully बनाया हुआ personal brand can help you manage how others sees you or perceive you. क्योंकि एक personal brand will help you ensure your online presence reflect your professional identity accurately. Ultimately, investing time and effort into developing your own personal brand is an investment in your long-term success. In simpler terms, it's about marketing yourself, creating opportunity for yourself, चाहे जॉब हो या फिर building your own reputation, जो आपके करियर में भी आपकी हेल्प करेगी. So, why you should care about personal branding this year? Because it can significantly impact your professional growth and open doors to a multitude of opportunities in your personal and professional life. I hope you have understood why you need to build a personal brand, and my plan for this channel is to create a personal brand for myself. And you can follow along and see कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, कैसे करने वाला हूँ. I will be sharing everything with you. The problems I face, small wins, my strategies, and everything that I am about to do on this channel. And the key topics that I will be covering on this channels are digital marketing, SEO strategy, web development, productivity, personal branding, success stories, case studies, and so on. My next video is going to be about my strategy and planning into how I will be building my personal brand. So consider subscribing and I will see you in the next one.